in this video we're going to go get a McDonald's while I'm in my Caterham. Will I be able to do it? Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. And if you don't already know, I daily my Caterham, so I think I do a lot of things in here that other people probably wouldn't or wouldn't think about. And I've been out filming today doing some other videos and I'm getting a bit peckish, so we're going to go to McDonald's. Here I am arriving at McDonald's. I've done this a fair few times now and I turn the engine off when I can, as I know it's very noisy and it's also extra loud when close to the building. No. Can I have 2 chicken mayos? And can I have 6 chicken nuggets, please? What sauce with those? Sweet and sour, please. Anything else? That's it, thank you. Cool. They obviously had a thing for chicken today. I normally order 20 chicken nuggets, to be honest, so I must have been saving myself for dinner. I've just paid, and now to get my order. Oh, you're right. 1 second. Yeah, sure. Sweet, thank you. Cool. Question was, will I be able to get a McDonald's? And the answer is yes, it's easy. As I daily my Caterham, I've got a new playlist which I'm going to add some videos to called Living with a Caterham, so look out for some more videos coming soon. And here is my outro, which hopefully you will enjoy. I know it's not ideal because it's quite dark at the moment, but I've got my McDonald's and it's a tough job making these videos, but someone's got to do it. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away.